Alpine Pat here, Thursday, December 21st. We are into the 4th week of operations for the winter season, and I tell you, it's been a challenge. It's been a challenge to say the least. Bumps in the road, but rebounding from these bumps is what Alpine Valley does best. Hats off to the snowmaking crew. We started making snow Sunday night and went right through the third Tuesday afternoon. 36 hours of continuous snowmaking, and it shows. Look at this. I mean, this is the good stuff. This is nice and fluff. Trade Park is adding features as I speak. The beginner area looks awesome. If you're looking for some good family fun, Alpine Valley, give us a try. We will not disappoint. In fact, that's our motto, fastest way to fun. Next week is Christmas Spirit Week. Pretty much every day there's some fun family activity going on in the valley. We got a casino night, January 6th. That sounds like a great time, you know. Check out our website for the details. But what I really want to do is wish everybody a happy, joyous, and happy holidays, and just hope Santa takes care of you. Hope to see you soon in the valley. Yeah, bye!